In this video, I'll show you how to log into CapCut on PC. First, open CapCut on your computer. You can do this by clicking the CapCut icon on your desktop or by opening the Windows Start menu, typing CapCut, and selecting the app from the search results. Once CapCut opens, look for the Sign In or Login button. In most versions, you will find it in the top right corner of the screen. If you are on the Start page, CapCut may also show a login window automatically. Click Sign In, and CapCut will show you the available login methods. Depending on your region and app version, you may see options like TikTok, Google, Facebook, Apple, email, or a QR code login. Choose the login method you prefer. If you want to connect your CapCut account with TikTok, select TikTok. This can be useful if you also post your videos on TikTok or use CapCut templates connected to your TikTok account. If you choose Google, Facebook, Apple, or email, CapCut may open a browser window. Enter your account details, then follow the instructions on the screen. If the browser asks for permission to connect your account with CapCut, review the message and click Continue, Allow, or Authorize. If you choose QR code login, CapCut will display a QR code on your computer screen. Open CapCut or TikTok on your phone, go to the Scan option, and scan the QR code. Then confirm the login on your phone. After a few seconds, your CapCut PC app should sign in automatically. Once you are logged in, check the profile icon in the top right corner. If you can see your account name, profile picture, or account menu, that means the login was successful. Signing in helps you access cloud projects, sync materials, templates, premium features if you have them, and account settings. If the login does not work, first check your internet connection, then close CapCut and open it again. You can also try a different login method, update CapCut to the latest version, or restart your computer. Once you are successfully signed in, you can start a new project, open an existing project, import your media, and begin editing your video on CapCut PC. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.